Hello again, everyone, and I mean everyone, because we are in the era of AI where every one of us is affected by AI. I am Mike Hayes from the AI Super Campus, and along with my longtime wife and business partner, Nancy, we want to bring you AI audibles to keep you up to speed and help expand the great discovery of AI with the free AI Super Campus, where you can learn DIY AI for free with our proven and longtime strategy called ETV Global Media's E-Framework to email, educate, empower, explore, and elevate with events for exponential expansion, and to engage in the new $500 billion AI for local and global initiatives. So we believe network locally and learn AI globally. For example, I am using a free Loom account to screen capture this graphic so that I can share a trailer about our course about the Great Discovery AI Super Campus to learn DIY AI and free email engagement strategies. So I hope you will join me, learn how you can even use your phone with voice memos and learn it right on your phone with our AI audibles, because it's always changing. Like the coach at Cal, right? Cal football uses audibles when things change. Well, same thing, we use AI Chalk Talks for men, women, and we have the AI family plan to include everybody. We include our kids, family, friends. So many people we can help them to smooth out their life or expand their life, think bigger and grow richer with AI. In the model of Think and Grow Rich, we're in the era of AI. We want to help people learn how to think bigger and grow richer, and learn DIY AI for course creation to expand the great discovery of AI with CrossGroup business networking AI strategies, and teach local business directory email marketing strategies. So I hope you'll join us. There are 2 ways to use Mail Softly: in your inbox to learn DIY AI for free, or to learn email mastery like the world's top influencers. I hope you'll join me. I'm Mike Hayes.